Star's gonna chew a pill
I'm scared.
that she's supposed to swallow.
They didn't even give me a cup of water. Give me a cup of water and they did that.
Dude, my mouth is watering. It's like salivating.
Why didn't you try it, Guillermo? Alright.
Yeah,
I'll
true.
go away.
And
It's in my teeth.
go.
Make a brave face. Here's your iced tea.
Oh.
You start to twitch. It's like.
It made me want to cough too.
You look like pain.
You gotta chew it before you swallow it, Nick.
Yeah, take my iced tea.
Oh.
Scrumptious. Was it good?
It's in my tooth.
I know, it's gross.
Thank you.
Alright,
Alright, so now.
I dropped in the butter.
Alright, I'm gonna do it. Do it.
What it tastes like?
Buttery citrus.
Ew.
Not bad.
Okay, so now try the pill.
Alright.
He's got his iced tea. He's ready.
Oh, it's iced tea? Alright.
Straight face.
He can't do it.
Oh, it wasn't iced tea. Water.
Oh.
Well,
There it
you
is.
rolled in pretty well.
Ria's the only wimp.
Now you. Alright, Rhea, go. Ready?
Chew.
No. Oh my god, it tastes really. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. Oh fuck no. You weak ass.
Okay.
Tastes like the sewer system.
You would know what it tastes like.
What'd you think, Rhea?
Oh fuck no. No. A chemical reaction in my mouth. Smell my breath. Smell.